What is up guys, the Gaming Beast here, bringing you the second episode of my DayZ Let's Play. Just letting you know, it cut out last episode by accident. I didn't realise that it would cut out. So apparently, or hopefully, this episode I'll be prepared. I ran to the nearest building and logged off. I nearly died actually. Some guys were shooting at me. Good, there you go. You should have been watching the timer. Anyway, let's get into the thing. We're in Electro at the moment. I'm in one of the 3 stories trying to find a weapon. Actually, but no, hello, kill him. Nope, no, that's it. Should I go in there? It's worth the look. I should probably die anyway, so there we go. Yeah. Hit the zombies in the patch. Too hard to kill. Well, no, too fast. I don't need the whole world to find me where I am. Just fucking... There you go. That's all good. If I can find any FNX ammo, that'd be great. Ooh, kill them. Yes. Turtle there. We got that turtle. Let's go up here. See to find. Ooh, yes. TTSKO. That's brilliant. Yes, that's brilliant. I just had to put out for a minute there because my mum wasn't. But that's what you get when you're not prepared. They look different. I've gone to the DPC. Okay, I'm going to go up there. So where you find the guns. Ammo. That's water. 22. Pretty sure that's the ammo for one of the new pistols. First I was dead there, and that was not good. Now I'm going to head to the hospital, or I think I'm probably going to die. If I die, I'll cut out the next episode and leave it there. So you can see the character build from the start instead of me doing half of it now and then. Basically, the new thing. I don't want to fight him. He looks like quite nice. No. Yeah, so we're heading to the hospital. This is one of them. Alright, I'm completely soaking. Wait. What do we do? Do you see any sign of life there? On my balls. There's nobody here. The road is zombies punching each other. That's how zombies work now, by the way. You just run around punching each other, so that's what do you put in? No. What is it? Is it spot? That's amazing. They're not moving, are they? Yeah. This is fantabulous. Okay. What's going on? I swear all I did was press F on like every single button on a keypad. Anyway. Now we'll head to the police station to see if we can find some ammo. If not, then YOLO's 55. So I need a bigger backpack as well. That's what I was looking for. A backpack. Hey friends. We're all friends, right? They'll just be like, no. kill me. I'm probably gonna get killed by zombie. This police station is deadly when it comes to zombielization. What's that? No, it's rotten, it's rotten. Don't get excited, boys. It's a rotten apple. Oh, kill him. I keep hearing a zombie, but I can't see anything. Cool. Oh, I see him. We'll take 1 or 2 ammo there. I'll take that. Might maybe. If I find a sport for 22. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I want you. Eat it. I want you. Feed it to me. Yeah, now I've got a loaded pistol. There you go. I got that because I'm just too beast. Matches. Nobody likes matches. Right, there'll be a gun in here. See, there you go. And it looks a bit like amazing. Yeah, it's just amazing. We have one of them. We do not need more. I'll just come up here and end the video. No? Okay. What's through you? Yeah, it's not been very eventful. I'm just sorting out my YouTube on my new computer. Sorting everything out at the moment. It might be a month before I get a decent computer. It might be a few weeks, I don't know. But either way, I'm sorting out my computer now. And I'll see you guys next episode. Thanks for watching, rate, comment, and subscribe.